Hi, first graders. Today is Tuesday. This is our second day working with our straw card, which says ah, ah. So the first way we can spell it is A, like in the word fall. Fall, what's the word? We can also spell it A-W, like in the word paw. What's the word? We can spell it A-U, like in the word fault. What's the word? And we can spell it A-L, like in the word talk. What's the word? And our last spelling is A-U-G-H. Says ah, like in the word caught. Let's try some on your own. Think. Say, the word is mall. Think. Ah, word is lawn. Last one. Think. Ah, this is the word is cause. Okay, once again, we are working with our straw card this week. It can be spelled A, like in the word wall, all. A-W, like in the word paw. A-U, like in the word cause. A-U-G-H, like in the word caught. Or A-L, like in the word talk. As we go through, make sure that you are reading along with us. Ready? Think. Say, the word is draw. Next word, think. Say, the word is walk. Let's do this one together. Wash. The word is wash. Next word, j. The word is jaw. Next word, think. The word is caught. Last one, word is haul. Good job. All right, you are going to stretch the words out. Listen for an example. Word is chalk. Next word. Word is next word. Word is hawk. Word is os. Word is next word. Word is wall. Next one. Word is tot. Word is small. Word is talk. Word is salt. Last one. Word is yawn. All right. Think. Say, the word is saw. What's the word? Change S to L. The new word is 1, 2, 3. Word is law. What's the word? Add an N at the end of the word. Think. Say, word is lawn. What's the word? Change L to D. Think. Say, word is dawn. What's the word? Change D to DR. Think. Say, word is drawn. What's the word? Remove the N. Think. Say, the word is draw. What's the word? Change DR to R. Think. Say, word is raw. What's the word? Change R to J. Think. Say, word is jaw. What's the word? Change J to P. Think. Say, word is paw. What's the word? Add SE at the end of the word. Think. Say, the word is pause. What's the word? Change P to C. Think. Say the word is cause. What's the word? Change C to CL. Think. Say the word is clause. What's the word? Get rid of the SE. Think. Say the word is claw. What's the word? Okay, this is a tricky one. Change CL to C and then add an L at the end of the word. Think. Say the word is call. What's the word? Okay, change C to W and add a K at the end. Think. Say the word is walk. What's the word? Change W to T. Think. Say the word is talk. What's the word? Good job. All right, bling words this week. Remember that we are starting with our color words this week. Our first word is red. What's the word? Red. Spell it. R-E-D. My favorite color is red. Can you come up with a sentence using red? Next word is green. What's the word? Spell it. G-R-E-E-N. I like when the trees are green in the summer. Can you think of a sentence that has the word green in it? The next word is blue. What's the word? Spell it. B-L-U-E. The sky looks very blue today. Can you think of a sentence with the word blue? Our next word is brown. What's the word? Spell it. B-R-O-W-N. I wear a lot of brown in the fall. Can you think of a sentence with the word brown? Our next word is yellow. What's the word? Yellow. Spell it. Y-E-L-L-O-W. The color yellow makes me happy. Can you think of a word, or sorry, can you think of a sentence that has the word yellow? All right, the story we are reading today is called Paul's Paw. What's it called? All right, these are some words that are in our story. This word is once. What's the word? Because. What's the word? Today. What's the word? Does. What's the word? They. What's the word? Picture. What's the word? Could. What's the word? And last one is friend. What's the word? All right. This story is called Paul's Paw. So we have our OU right here, which says ooh. So we have the word Lou. And then we have Paul, which is our spoon, or sorry, our straw card. Then we talked about this word right here, which is once, and the word because. Here's another ah sound, jaw. And then paw, there's Paul again. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Lou had a dog named Paul. When Paul plays, he can hurt himself. Once he hurt his jaw because he chewed a hard toy, and a jaw is your mouth. Today, Paul hurt his paw. Oh no, poor Paul. Let's look at the next page. Once again, we have our spoon card for the word Lou. And we have Paul. This word is hauled. Then we have saw, which has our AW spelling. Once again, we have Paul, but then this has apostrophe S, which means that it belongs to him. So we're talking about his paw. So Paul's paw. And there's Paul's paw again. And then the last word we have with our aw sound is crawl. Let's go ahead and read it together. Ready? Read. Lou had to call his mother, father, and brother to come and help. Then Dad put Paul in his car and hauled him to the vet. Remember, a vet is a doctor who takes care of animals. The vet saw Paul's paw and said, I think Paul's paw will be fine, but he may have to crawl a bit. So he hurt his paw, but the vet thinks that it's going to be okay. All right. So our letters OW stand for the vowel team that says ow. When you see these letters together, the letters act as a team. So they must be said together. So we have O, which says ah, and W, which says w. But if we put them together, instead of saying aw, they say ow. So they work as a team. So here we have the word down. We have the ow sound in the middle of that word. We use those two together because they are working as a team. Okay, same thing here. We have the word down with our ow sound, and we have the word town with our ow sound. We say those sounds together like ow. So we have the word downtown. Same thing here. We have AI. That is a vowel team. So AI says A, so we have a, n, the word is rain. So then we have over here our ow sound again and a sound here. So we have a, n, rain, b, o, bow. Here we have the word draw. This has AW, which says ah. Then we add ing at the end. We have the word drawing. And our last one here is OA and OU. OA says O and OU says ow. So we have boat, boat, house, word is boathouse. So here we have OY, which says oi. That's our vowel team in the word joyful. We have EA in the word repeat, AU in the word hauling. We have AI in the word rail and OA in the word road to make the word railroad. So remember that a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. And then a pronoun is something, a word that takes away the noun or replaces it. So if we have a possessive pronoun, that means that the person owns something. So just like we saw in the story where it said Paul's with an apostrophe S, paw, we knew that the paw belonged to Paul because of this apostrophe right here. Okay, so that's kind of what a possessive pronoun is. It's talking about somebody who owns something. So we have, is this book yours? So if you're saying, is this yours? You are asking if it belongs to them. Okay, then they respond with, it is mine. So then you own it. If you say it's mine, that means you own it. Now, if you don't own it, but your brother does, maybe you can point to him and say it is his. That shows that he owns it. Okay, same thing here. The bat is theirs. It belongs to the people who they're talking about. Only the baseballs are ours. Okay, so ours is the person who's talking. Last one, this shirt is just like hers. So the shirt is just like hers, the one that she owns. So all of those, mine,